In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed games into Google Sites. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your Google site, and then from here, you want to go to the right-hand side, and you want to click on Insert. Now here, of course, you want to select wherever you want to put this, and you want to click on Embed. So you just click on this Embed button, and then you have two options. You could either enter in a URL, so in case you've gotten like a URL to a game you actually wish to embed to your Google site, you can paste it in here very easily and click on Insert, or you could also embed code. So what I did over here is actually ask ChatGPT to actually cook up a quick HTML game for me over here in code, and it actually did just that. So if you do something like that, or if you have some HTML code, or even if you've actually made a game yourself in HTML code, you can go ahead and just paste it in here like that. As you can see, it's literally just some HTML code, and then just click on next over here, and then it's gonna kind of give you the preview over here. So we start loading, there we go, and then I'm gonna click on insert, and it's going to insert my game. Of course, I can go ahead and customize the size of it. For example, I'm going to put it in like this because I want it to be a bit bigger, like that. There we go. And okay, this is not working. So if I go to up here, and if I go into the preview tab, you'll be able to see that the game is actually working. So it's just a clicking game over here. I have to basically click the button as many times as I can, and it's basically counting my score over here. Now, it's a bit silly, of course, but this will work for any game you can actually embed using HTML or the URL if you actually have one. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.